Hello everyone, this is the first grade through fourth grade WES Home Learning Plan tutorial. On our plans, we have our subjects off to the side, and throughout the week you will see the different materials posted for each subject. On Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday of this week, we were to complete our SOS packets. Starting Thursday, we have different links to send you to websites to help continue our education. All you have to do is click the link and it will take you to the website provided. Please be sure that if you do not know your login for each website, to reach out to your teacher on Class Dojo or through their email address. It also says that you could do the Edmentum packet. The Edmentum packet is on our school website. Once you go to our school website, you can click Edmentum packets and it will take you to the different grade levels. View the PDF for your child's grade level, and you can follow along with the worksheets provided. You do not have to print these worksheets. If you have a piece of paper and a pencil at home, you could simply write down your answers on that. These learning plans can be found on our Class Dojo page, school website, and the Weirton Elementary Facebook page. If you have any questions, please be sure to ask your teacher, and they will be happy to help you.